How to set up secondary goals in Mida. First of all, go to A/B test report and scroll down. Here you'll find this section where you can add your secondary goals such as button clicks, thank you page, and even Shopify events like purchases and add to cart button and more. Now click on the add metrics button here and you'll find this section right here loads up. All the events here you see are coming from the events as well as the goals tab. Then here you can see their performance against the control version. Just click on any of the button right here and it will add the events to the list. And here after I've clicked on the search button and it has added into here, and as you can see how it performs against the control version. Yeah, so that's how you can add secondary goals to Mida, and this will help you to take your A/B test experience to the next level. Hope you can utilize this feature and catch you on the next one.